Open your browser and go to the link as shown to download driver and RD service for your fingerprint scanner device. Click on Windows Certified RD Service to download RD service for your fingerprint scanner device. Click on Windows Support Tools to download driver and support tools for your fingerprint scanner device. Open your download folder and extract both downloaded zip packages. Open Extracted RD Service folder and double-click on MSI file to install RD services. Click on Next button and proceed further. Wait while RD services are getting installed on your computer. Click on Close button. Now open Extracted Support Tools folder and double-click on MSI file to install driver and support tools on your computer. Click on Next button to proceed for installation. Two new windows are open now. Click on Next button on first newly open window as shown. Click on Install button to install driver for your fingerprint scanner device. Repeat same for second window. Click on Close button. Now connect your fingerprint scanner device to USB port of your computer. On successful connection, you can see a success notification above tray area of your computer. Make sure your computer is connected to the internet. Open tray in your computer as shown and right-click on the RD service icon. Device should be in ready state with green color as shown. Click on Register Device option from the list to register device. Again right-click on the RD service icon and click on Test Capture. Place your finger on fingerprint device when red light glows on the device. On successful capture you will get success notification. Your fingerprint device setup is now completed.